So if you come to a washing machine that ain't spinning, first thing to check is it actually turning? Is the bearings or something seized? Next thing I'd check is the belt on okay? Like a drive belt, rubber belt. If it's snapped, obviously the motor won't turn the wheel, the drum. Then you got motor. Is your motor working? I've got a video on how to test the motor, so check that out. And then you got the board. Maybe the board's gone. I've got a video on that, how to test the boards. But before you do the board, check the door switch. Obviously if the door won't close properly, this will not signal the board to start the motor, to start the machine cycle. So I've got a video on how to test them as well, so check that out. So that's it really. You got the belts, door switches, or the motor and control board. They're the main reasons why you won't get a spinning washing machine.